And with the price of Shiba Inu Coin trying to figure out what it wants to do, where it wants to go, if it's just going to follow its big brother Ethereum and its big brother Bitcoin the rest of its life, or if it'll finally break out, we'll let it make that decision. But let's talk about the progress that Shiba Inu Coin's Layer 2 blockchain, Shibarium, is having right now. Because we are seeing utility spike, we are seeing the amount of tokens built on that blockchain spike, we are seeing the amount of wallets, the amount of everything is going up. And that is excellent news if you're expecting to build out this ecosystem that Shiba Inu Coin has in a major way. Now, I know I'm just as frustrated as everybody else that it's not having a positive impact on the price of Shiba Inu Coin. It is having a positive impact on the price of Bone. I mean, Bone is up to about $1.30 something, $1.40 something, and up about 10% over the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, Shiba Inu Coin lagging behind a little bit, following the overall market, but let's talk about the progress, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're earning 5% on your cash balances. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it's going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Now, guys, I'm going to jump into an article here and just go over. It does a good job of summarizing. We can break this down much better either in a live stream or in another video today. But I want to go over kind of like a top-down look at what Shibarium is accomplishing right now in terms of the amount of Bone that is being staked, the amount of wallets, and the amount of transactions. Because it's successful, right? I mean, a lot of people judge success on different metrics. One of them is going to be how much Shiba Inu Coin is burned. We are not going to let that go. We absolutely want to see Shiba Inu Coin burns as a result of the transactions on Shibarium. We were promised, and yes, people took those expectations a little bit, I guess, wild and out of hand there. But we were promised Shiba Inu Coin burns, and as of right now, we haven't seen any, and I don't know if we will see any until we vote to increase that transaction fee. So this article says that Shibarium utility spikes as wallets jump and there's a massive amount of Bone staked. Let's get into the numbers. The Shiba Inu Coin Layer 2 blockchain Shibarium records outstanding feats just a few days after going live to the mainnet. Now, the mainnet version of Layer 2 solution, Shibarium, is recording impressive stats less than 2 weeks after its launch, and we know that the massive amount of transactions and so on have come just in the last couple of days, because, of course, the botched launch kept Shibarium down for about the whole week. Shibarium wallets are approaching 50,000, and I'll tell you this, they're growing fast. In the hour that it's going to take for this video to be recorded, uploaded, and so on, and you guys watching it, Shibarium could absolutely be blowing by this $50,000 wallet number. Interestingly, the Shibarium mainnet has seen a massive spike in interacting wallet addresses, and it says at the time of press, they're at 48,868 wallets. Earlier today, they were just at 47,000. So we are seeing massive increase in the amounts of wallets. I do want to be very upfront with this, though. Just because there's a wallet does not mean that it owns Bone, SHIB, Leash, any of the Shibarium tokens or such. Wallets can be created for free. And I strongly believe that there will be just an influx of wallet numbers that mean absolutely nothing. If you're looking at, the amount of SHIB holders being a little over 1 million and wallets in that like 3.5 million range, we shouldn't expect much more than that. We shouldn't expect the Shibarium community to be bigger than the Shiba Inu Coin community. But the amount of wallets can absolutely exceed it. So if you look at the puppy net for the test net for Shibarium, it had like 17 million wallets created. Now, that doesn't mean 17 million holders are out there. That would be insanity if 17 million different people or 17 million different wallets were holding any of the Shibarium tokens. But you can create them for free, and I can guarantee you we've got wallet harvesting going on down there and padding the numbers by people creating these free wallet addresses. So just watch out for that. Don't use the amount of wallet addresses as a guaranteed success of Shibarium or Shiba Inu Coin or anything. It says, it's interesting to note that over 1,000 addresses have been created in just a few hours, and a lot of people are expecting 100,000 wallets to be created very soon. I would imagine so, guys. We'll probably be at 1 million here, padding the numbers on Shibarium, but it doesn't mean that those are holders, so watch out for that. Some more milestones, and I don't care too much about puppy scan here, so I'm going to skip some of that stuff. But it says, per Shibarium scan, the total transactions numbered 120,494 on the mainnet, and has already produced 280,835 blocks with an average block time of 5 seconds. Guys, it is growing, and it is growing fast. And these are real-world transactions at this point. Now, a lot of them can be, micro-transactions. Very insignificant levels of, cents, just tenths of a bone or a hundredth of a bone, or just very small amounts being traded. And I'm sure we're going to see some bots going back and forth, ping, 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 knocking it back and forth between each other, knocking the amount of daily transactions up as well. Furthermore, Shibarium recorded its highest daily transactions yesterday, hitting a whopping 100,905 mark. That's excellent. Yesterday was basically the first day that Shibarium had live after all of the hiccups and all of the problems. And it's still lower. The 100,905 is still a lot lower than the average that the testnet was doing. But nonetheless, this is great information and great. It is great for Shiba Inu Coin because it shows that a massive amount of people are using Shibarium and accepting to the Shiba Inu Coin ecosystem here. So then it goes on to say that it's achieved all of this since August 16th on the launch. I want to talk about this, and I do want to break down a video on this a little bit later. Hopefully I can get to it today. But there's over 15 million bone staked right now. That's excellent, right? Anytime you get over 5% of your entire supply staked within the first week, you are absolutely killing it when it comes to delegating, validating, and staking there. That is an awesome number. I expect that number to continue growing. But here's the thing you got to watch out for. Unification has by far the most bone staked with them. And I don't have the actual numbers in front of me right now, but I remember looking at it yesterday, and they basically are, 5, 10x the rest of the rest of the validators out there. Anytime you give a single validator that much power, it's a bad idea. If you truly want a decentralized ecosystem or a decentralized blockchain, you Shiba Inu coin holders and you bone stakers need to realize you need to decentralize the validators as well. At this point in the game, Unification can make any and every decision that they want for Shibarium's blockchain. Now, if you guys feel that that's a good idea, okay, great. But if you want to have votes, if you want different perspectives heard, you're going to need to decentralize the amount of bone that is staked between those validators. We'll talk about that a little bit more in another video, but I want to know what you guys think right now. Do you believe that Shibarium is seeing success, or do you think that this is a much slower launch than you anticipated? Let us know down there in the comments, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Weeble. You got KuCoin and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.